Hi guys, this messenger backpack is made from soft-washed canvas with pure leather details, giving it a classic and stylish look. The material is water-resistant on the outside, while the inside has a softer feel for extra comfort. It also has mesh back to help with ventilation so it doesn't feel stuffy. The backpack is lightweight, around 918 grams, making it easy to carry all day. It has a large capacity, fitting in slim laptop up to 15 inches without a sleeve. There are multiplayer compartments to keep things organized. There are front pockets, two side pockets, two large main rooms with double zippers and a back side anti-theft pocket. Inside you get a padded laptop pocket and inner zipper pocket. And there are smaller pockets for easy storage. The adjustable shoulder straps make it comfortable to wear, and the design is unisex, so it works well for both men and women. Whether you're heading to work, traveling, shopping, or just need a sturdy everyday bag, this backpack is a solid choice.